Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So this is the look that I came up with. I know this is pretty similar with the other looks that I did, but mainly I just wanted to feature the LORAC UNZIPPED palette, you guys, because it is just an amazing palette and I don't want it to be forgotten. So yeah, if you want to know how I did this look, then just keep on watching. So I will be using this eyeshadow primer from LORAC, just to ensure that our eyeshadow will last the entire day, and I will be setting that with a regular face powder. Any face powder that you have will work actually. So our first color would be Unconditional, and I'm using this as a transition color, applying this on the entire eyes. Then I will be taking Unspoken, and I'm gonna apply this specifically on my crease area like so, just making sure that everything is really well blended. Next, I'm taking shades Unbelievable and Unattainable and dabbing this all over my mobile lid. And also, I dampen a little my brush just to give the shadow more intensity because I wanted a very intensified eyelid. Then I'm taking Unspoken again and blending the mobile and crease color together. So as you can see, I'm blending and blending, and then I'm taking a much darker shade, which is Unbrittle, and use this to define my outer V area. And I think I changed my brush into a more denser one because I really wanted to pack that dark color there onto my outer V, because I wanted that very intensified outer V to make my eyes look more big and elongated. Then I'm taking the most lightest shade and use this to highlight my brow bone area. Then I am doing a wing eyeliner using my favorite eyeliner from Melissa Kiss, and this time I think I did a thin liner. Yeah, I did not do a thick wing eyeliner. Yeah. And then I also went ahead and tightlined my upper waterline. And then of course, don't forget to apply mascara. This is my favorite mascara, guys, from Hair and Make, and I've seen a lot of YouTubers here in the Philippines using this one, so I'm happy that they discovered this mascara as well. And then yeah, what I'm doing here. So I think I'm just curling my lashes right now. Yes, and preparing this for the, eyelashes. And now, of course, I'm applying eyelashes. I think this one is from Cherry Blossom number 110. Yeah, I think so. So moving on to the face, I will be using a skin brightening primer from Rimmel London. I've been using a brightening primer lately since my face feels like it's been looking so dull. I don't know why. And for my foundation, of course, my current favorite, which is from Maybelline, and I'm so sorry that it's not available here in the Philippines. And I will just be blending my foundation using, of course, my sponge from Real Techniques, because it just makes blending so easy for me. And for my concealer, of course, my all-time favorite, which is from MAC, which is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I don't know why I haven't found any concealer that works so well into my under eye area. So now I will be setting my face using this final powder from Nichido, which is a very good powder for its price. And as you can see, this is not usual for me, guys, but I am slapping a ton of powder into my face just because it's been so humid and my face gets so sweaty and oily, so I really need to pack on a ton of powder. And then moving on to our brows, I have a video on how I groom and fill in my brows. If you're interested, I will have the link on the description box as always. And then I will be contouring now my nose and using, of course, my favorite duo shadow from Daiso. It's very affordable. And for my face, I will be using this one from City Colors, and I will be contouring my face because, as you can see, my face is getting rounder and I have been gaining weight. So now for my blush, This one is from City Colors as well. A very good blush for its price. And for my highlight, which is of course my favorite highlighter, which is the Soft and Gentle from MAC, and I'm applying this onto my cheeks, chin, nose, point of the nose, nose bridge, anywhere that you need to highlight. So going back to the eyes, I will be using this duo eyeliner from Mina, which is very affordable, only 25 pesos. And I'm applying this onto the outer lower lash line, and then I'm taking Unspoken again to set that eyeliner, and of course finish the eyes by applying some mascara into the lower lashes. So I'm using Undercover as my inner corner highlight because this is such a pretty color. Then just gonna wipe the excess lip balm and foundation off my lips so that we will be ready for lipstick. And before that, we need to line our lips first, and I'm using my favorite one from NYX. And for my lipstick, I will be using something from L'Oreal, I guess. If I forgot, guys, I will have all the details on the description box for you all. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I know this looks kind of the same with the other looks that I did on the past videos, but mainly I just wanted to feature the LORAC UNZIPPED palette because this is just an amazing palette. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you on my next video, guys. Love you always. Peace.